let me tell you something. You really don't need to waste your time, energy, or money anymore. With this method, the entire process of creating videos, animations, or basically any kind of content you can imagine becomes fully automated and incredibly high quality. And this isn't some fake or useless AI agent setup. Imagine connecting the powerful Higgsfield platform with all of its incredible tools directly to an LLM like Claude. Suddenly, you're no longer lost trying to figure out different tools and workflows because everything is handled by one powerful creative brain. It gives you ideas, writes scripts, generates images and videos, and all you really need to do is sit back with your coffee and handle quality control. That way everything stays under your supervision and moves exactly the way you want. The whole setup only takes a few clicks, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works along with several different use cases, so you don't have to spend time testing everything yourself. If it fits your workflow, you can start using it immediately. You're probably already familiar with the Higgsfield platform. At this point, I'm using it for almost all of my projects. If you want to see the different ways it can be used, I've attached links to various tutorials right on this video, from animation and realistic filmmaking to viral and commercial content production. You'll find everything there. Of course, getting high quality and accurate results inside Higgsfield can be a little tricky, especially if you want to optimize your credit usage. To use the new Higgsfield feature, click on MCP and CLI. Here you can connect any LLM you use directly to Higgsfield so it can handle both planning and execution for you. I'm going to use Claude. Just copy this link, then open the Claude website desktop app or mobile app. Go to Customize, click on Connectors, then choose Add Custom Connector. After selecting a name, paste the Higgsfield link here. Once you confirm it, click Connect and grant Claude the required permissions so it can use Higgsfield tools. At this point, almost everything is ready. The only thing left is tool permissions. And you can choose needs approval, so it asks you every time before using a tool. There's also always allow, which removes confirmations completely. But personally, if your credits matter to you and you don't want to waste them, I recommend using custom permissions. Only allow tools you use frequently or tools that consume fewer credits, and leave the rest on needs approval so it asks before using them. Now you can basically use Claude as your personal AI agent. And the great part is that you can even use the free version to connect it with Higgsfield. Of course, if you want more advanced capabilities and more complex task execution, it's better to upgrade your plan. Today, I want to design a production brand with it and create realistic, animated, and commercial content around it. For this, I wrote an initial prompt and gave it to Claude. Just like I asked, it generated 3 initial concepts along with product descriptions and 15-second video ideas. It also handled the brand name and slogan creation really well. After that, it designed a set of questions that gives us much more control over the production process at every stage. For example, it asks about aspect ratio and which platform we want to promote the video on. It even gives its own recommendations, and if you don't like them, you can simply type your own options or explanations. The next question is about the generator you want to use, and it even explains the strengths of each one. Finally, it consults you about the overall mood and editing style of the video so it can create exactly what you want. Once everything is confirmed, it's time to review the concepts more carefully and choose one. Or if you want, you can even give it a completely new idea to work from. Then it asks about the number of shots, and I tell it I want a one-take continuous shot. The next question is about priorities, and I choose quality. At this stage, it fully designs the workflow and gets everything ready to begin the project. The video script and all prerequisites are completely locked in, and now we can start the first step. Here it generates the character using Sol 2, and you can review the result. If needed, you can edit it, regenerate it, or confirm it and move to the next stage. Then it starts generating the product image using the predefined prompt. I think it looks good, but you can even ask it to regenerate the image using something like Nano Banana Pro instead. This one also looks good, but I preferred the first version, so I tell it to continue with that one. Now it's time to generate the transformation shot. Notice that if there's a limitation with one of the tools, it actually solves the issue on its own. For example, since Sol 2 only accepts one reference image, it decides to merge the references together before continuing. That's honestly impressive. Still, I'm not happy with the results, so I tell it to regenerate using Nano Banana Pro with both reference images included. Now, that looks great. I tell it to use this as the style reference and create a fully realistic shot for the starting image. And it completely understood what I meant and handled the generation perfectly. At this point, everything is finally ready for video generation. And keep in mind, if there's any additional detail you think of, mention it here so it can take that into account before generating. Now let's watch the final video together. Honestly, I think it turned out really good. There are still a few things I personally don't like, but overall, it's genuinely impressive. So I simply tell it all the changes I want right there, and it regenerates the video based on my feedback until the quality reaches the level I'm aiming for. One really cool thing is that if a generation fails, all of your credits are refunded, so you can easily repeat the process. And here's the final result.
Voltage in every drop.
I ran this process one more time and I'll show you the results here so you can take a look. I honestly think you can integrate this feature directly into your own pipeline and create high-quality content automatically with very little effort. Hope this was useful. Until next time, stay creative.